Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Revolut abroad. Alright, so we're jumping in over here, and Revolut transforms how you actually manage your money internationally, offering a very great deal of convenience and also saving while you're traveling. You can use your card in millions of locations worldwide with competitive exchange rates and minimal fees across more than 150 currencies. So first of all, your pre-trip currency conversion. So you can convert currencies in your app before traveling to lock in great exchange rates and avoid surprises when you actually reach your destination. Also, you can spend at merchants worldwide and access up to 2,000 euros at ATM withdrawals without monthly fees. And this, of course, will depend on the plan that you're using. Also, you should always select pay without conversion at merchants to benefit from Revolut's competitive rates instead of merchants' markups. And then the next thing over here is a few tips to maximize Revolut while you're abroad. So pay ahead for better rates. So you can top up and convert to local currencies before your trip to avoid weekend markups, and you can gain better control over your spend. You can also set up virtual cards with Apple Pay or Google Pay to make payments instant without needing your physical card on hand. And then also you can see over here standard plans offer lower ATM withdrawal limits than premium or metal plans. So check your specific allowance to avoid any unexpected fees. For assistance abroad, you can access 24/7 support through Revolut's in-app chat or call the dedicated number on your card.